Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing you something truly next level, the agent mode in ChatGPT. This is not just regular AI search anymore. We are talking about real autonomous AI agent that can solve multitask problem and real world problem like human reasoning, planning, scheduling, code, debugging, error, many type. You can see here this has something research, capture, report, uh, action. He can process movie ticket for you and list many things. He can create a presentation. Okay, first I can give a task. Okay, uh, open. Okay, see, agent can do or not. Okay, he's sitting desktop, so we can see visually. Okay, the Chrome new tab, he's searching on Chrome. Okay, the Chrome browser is open. This is amazing. Okay, VS Code, he opened really VS Code, and we can take over this browser. If I click here, ChatGPT will give this page us, so we can take this step manually by one, take over browser. Okay, enter the browser, click new file, and he tries to create a new zip ++ file main.cpp. You can see the cursor, this working AI agent, not me. He typing C programming. If we zoom, we can see here, he working, and he will run for us this code. He done our task. Open VS Code, write print I am AI agent, and he asking take over. Okay, take over. Could not connect to virtual browser. There's a problem. Connect. Try again later. Okay. Okay, we can try with next task. Something I can say. Okay, I have a sales report data file just for example, and we can say something like this. Okay, see what can do AI agent. Asking upload, show me average volume line chart height over the row index, and I want to learn how to do it, so show me our process how to do it. Show me visually. I am CSV student. Okay, let's see what can do AI agent. Okay, he is loading our file and open a terminal. You can see. Does it by cleaning column name after that I verify. Okay, you can see the code. Yeah, directly we can see live. You can pass or back like video, or you can take the control directly this terminal. You will learn data sheet cleaning column name chart height. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can select here. This is good. This is really copy. This is amazing. Okay. It's a Python tool to interactive to run the liquid code. Okay. He tried to set up Python. You can see here. He tried print hello. He was working like a junior developer. He learning and try to solve these tasks that we ask. You can see he comment here import panda spd import numpy matplotlib and acetol pyplot for generating plot. Okay. It's working. Generating chart. Okay. Next height in the outliner. Okay, he generated newly. The script has been saved and he generated for us a line chart also, converting CSV to table. Import pandas PDF and first row. Here direct coding, so we can learn if someone want to learn how can data analyze. Maybe ChatGPT agent in next year maybe take the job from data analysis. Scan hide plot PNG for okay. Okay, scanning file hide plot PNG. Okay. Okay, try to take over browser. Virtually take over here problem. He solved, he generate for us data visualize, and you can see here full process for 2 minutes. Here you can see again if you want like video all process how AI agent for analysis for us this data. You can see step by step code. Here if I can scroll here. If first what doing import panda. This is a Python library and load our file, this file, read, and all process like data analysis how work, and again say import many file and working. This is really amazing. This is next level. Okay, he also create for us this. How create? Yeah. Okay, back the process. Okay, we can say quick next task. Here this video available all or he generate this with Python with this library. Okay, next we can try another task. See what can do. Create for me a presentation about data type base and show me. I use shared ChatGPT, so this is bit not so fast. Okay, I'll create my base presentation slide. The computer is ready, and here working for create slide. Understand the style of focus, the template of our slide layout. Okay, the slide design. This is element data. Okay. He tried to search what will be high to it for presentation. So this is working like a real human. He's searching, learning, and trying to do. The concern. Here it is searching for this topic and trying to gather information, and we'll do presentation. Okay, see what can do. He generated for us image for presentation. Okay, asset data analysis visualization. The return local file path and determining signal script. Okay, he created for us a image already. You can see. Okay, image for ratio, data points. Okay, he designed on by on man generate. I want to stop. We can see next process. He can make a presentation, no problem. But now this agent mode is new, just released. So all the people trying to do it, try to do use it. So maybe this is working so slow. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay, we can asking something another thing. Like if I give you my Facebook access, can you daily post for me? And if I give you login, then post for me. So first login, then search motivation and write post for me daily. Okay. How this is how I cannot do next. Okay. Okay, try to new. Okay, setting desktop. Let's see what can do AI agent. The facebook.com address bar is currently loading, so I'll wait for to fully load it. Okay. He asking please use take over entire login details, so he can do something for me. This is really amazing. Oh, this is not working. Oh, this is not working. Is there anything to do while you are here? Will not see or store anything. My login details he will not store. But why I cannot take the access? Okay, finish controlling. Okay, see what he write. Asking take over, please go ahead, log in using take over. Let me know when you are successfully logged in so I can continue posting motivational code. Try now again for control. Phone number, password. Just I give a wrong password. Okay. Try for me login. I cannot take over. Okay. I log in with the Facebook phone number. You can see they tried to log in with my phone number and my password is wrong.